What's happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow in the building again. And my mailman has been busy. I have received another package, and I think I know what this is. So let me go ahead and open it on up. Let's see. Alrighty. This is my BoneSteel brace from BoneSteel Arms. All right. So that's how it is shipped to you. And here is the brace itself. And I ordered the left side folder, so it'll fold to the left instead of the right. And I have it, so I have it for my NAK9. It will be going on my NAK9. So basically, that will complete out my NAK9. So I'll tell you what, give me a quick minute. I'm gonna go ahead and install this and show you what the end product's gonna look like.
ATL finest, you heard that, shorty? Hold it down, partner. Front sun up, sun down, trying to get it up till it's gone. Never hesitate in front of my partners, coming out of Perry home. Never been crippled or ashamed by the birds that ghetto inflicted. God gave me game to begin hustling, been stacking ever since. Rarely come round, mama, look at me like she can't even face it. My child cry when she in my arms, reach for familiar faces. Once with ghosts, dope game for the most when I ain't can.
All right, everybody, I have installed the BoneSteel brace. And it is very, 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 very simple. If you have a AK variant that has a hole in the rear, all you do is put a screw through the hole and screw it down, and you're good to go. It is literally that simple. But this is the end product. As you see, it is sturdy. It is very, very, very sturdy. And as far as the mechanism go, tap it, fold it, and it is good to go. It is good to go. So I am about ready to say that this gun is complete now. I don't think that I have anything else that I need to do. Yeah, I already have a sight, you know, that I'm putting on it, and I'm probably going to take this raised rail off, and but for the most part, it is done. It is done. It is done, and I'm liking how it turned out. I'm really liking how it turned out, and just for a rundown of what I have on here, this is from U.S. Machine Guns. That is a barrel extension, and it is in 1/2 by 28 for 9mm. This right here is my cheese grater I got from Kyber Customs, and that's like 29 bucks. And the wood, of course, is from Kalashnikov. He did a custom foregrip and a custom pistol grip for me. The magazine is AK-A24. AK-A24. You Google it, it'll pop up. And the brace is from BoneSteel Arms. BoneSteel Arms. All right. And like I said, this is about, I would say, is complete. And this brace is sturdy. No wiggle at all. No wiggle at all. But that is the finished product. It is the finished product. So let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Should I have done something different? Should I do something different? Should I take something off? Should I change something? You know, you just let me know, because I'm kind of curious to see what you guys think. All right, well, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, notifications, and Johnny Snow up out of here.